get this one. Oh my god. Okay, welcome everyone. Good morning. Right. Oh wow, we got a lot of stuff in here. Let's take a look. London session. Wicked. Hello. Welcome everyone. You just started over here. Welcome to the London session. Let me just get rid of some stuff. There we go. Welcome. So yeah, we're going to be doing an analysis on all of the pairs over here, just waiting up. I'm going to take a look at Telegram very soon as well. A lot of people are putting charts in. Looks quite interesting. Looks like a bit rangy for GJ over here. Let's just go to Wanda. Here we go. Okay, beautiful. So I'm going to do analysis over here. Let's take a look. What time is it? 7 AM. Beautiful. Let's just take a look at some news. If you have any news today. Morning. Good morning. Good morning. So we have unemployment rates, non-farm unemployment for US at 12:30. Okay. Okay. So that means NY session today might start a bit earlier, like 11 o'clock, because I want to be done before then. Really. Hello, Raul. We'll take a look at some charts as well, but let's just do a little quick analysis. I want to see your charts in the Telegram. So if I take a look over here, looks like I think you guys have done it. You have. Beautiful. So I'm going to take a look. Wow, Francis got another trade over here. Making some support, tapping the zone to reject. That was nice. Asian session buys. That was pretty good. Here we go. So someone's looking for buys above 1795.5, 30 pip range at the top. That looks pretty good. And sells below. I need to see what the higher time frames are looking like, but that looks pretty good. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Let's take a look on GJ. Buys above 153.760. Yeah, sells below 153.188. Yeah, beautiful. I think that's what mine is going to look at. Let's take a look at Tim's. Beautiful. So you're actually happy to get into buys a bit lower than little person there. Nice. Sells below one. Yeah, we all agree on these sells. This is going to be looking nice. Make clean candles. For gold, you're looking for buys above 1798. Wicked, and sells below 1790. Gorgeous. Let's take a look at GA as well.
You're gorgeous.
You're gorgeous, Benny boy. Let's take a look.
Mate, I am crook as a dog. I am so sick.
Oh yeah. I can hear it in your tone. You're a bit.
I've been hanging around you too long because you're always sick.
Yeah, I am fucking always sick, to be fair. Too many beers. Too many going out.
Yeah. All right. Good luck today, legend. I'm gonna hop in Discord and have it. I'll sit back and watch.
Sounds good. So buys above here 153.500. Sells below 420. Looking nice. So looking pretty good there, guys. Looks like you've got our zones. You're pretty much ready to see something here. GA 1.82800. Wicked. So looks pretty good. These charts look all pretty good. The only thing that I would want here, guys, from most of you here, is the 4-hour flips and the daily flips. So look, like Kevin's done it here. So I can see if you do close above over here, that's flipping the daily and the 4-hour. I think that could be pretty good. So let's take a look. Let's do some chart analysis. I'm going to do GJ first over here. Actually, I'll do gold because I think apparently someone says that gold is coming out already. So we've got no news for this session, which is good. Look at the daily. Okay, so let's just get rid of this. Fresh analysis. Let's take a look at the daily time frame, which is here. Okay, so the daily is bullish. It's going to be exceeding the high of the previous very soon, which suggests that's making some support and continuing up. Okay. Yeah, so the 4-hour is pushing up over here. Right, this is time over here. Okay. So the 4 hours come in, creating some bullish structure. Let's look at the hourly. Hourly's continuing, 30 minute, 15 minute. Okay, so for me, I can see that there is resistance here, and it's only like 10 pips away, if that. And so for me, if we get an hourly closure, did that hourly close above? It didn't. So I'm gonna have to wait for a closure potentially above this zone over here. This is what I'm gonna be looking for. Let's just get rid of this shit. So I'm gonna be looking for a closure above 1798 to continue bullish. I think that could be really good. So a closure above will be decent. Let's take a look over here. Yeah, and let's change this. So closures above 1798.6 wicked. I think that could be pretty solid. YCB, what the hell is that? But the check gold I think breakout today for a buy. Yeah, I think maybe a trade potentially here would have been nice at 6 o'clock, but we still got a lot of time. So yeah, buys above are going to be looking pretty good. Looks like GJ is running off over here, creating some bullish structure. So let's take a look at GJ. Daily time frame is bearish. 1 second, let me just move this. Is bearish still. It's creating wicks towards the downside, which suggests it could be making some support. Let's look at these big wicks, which could be interessante. Is this too loud for people? Let me just see. There we go. So the 4 hour is bullish. Okay, look at all these wicks to the downside. So all around this area, I'm seeing a lot of rejection wicks to the downside right here. Okay, which suggests to me that we may be coming up and continued bullish. Potentially, but I am keeping the fact that the daily is still bearish, and we could be just making top wicks. Looking at it on the 30 minute and the 15 minute, all that good stuff, I can see that we're starting to make some support. So for me, the support line is potentially sells below here, but I also think we have a support right here. Let me just fix that up. Because price at the moment just came down here, making some support here, came back down, held it. So if we get closures below here, we potentially have a good zone to fill. So we got like 10 pips towards this one, and then we got like 20 pips towards the lows. So I think that could be pretty good option over here for potential sells. But for buys, let's take a look. 30 minute coming up, hourly starting to come up. Oof. Looking pretty good for continued buys over here. If we get a closure above 153,500, I think that could be good to continue back up to 153,630, which will be fifth in the daily, which will be pretty decent. Getting a closure in 2 minutes time. I'm going to wait for this 30 minute to close, I think. Hopefully above the zone. So then potentially look for buys, I think. Let's say hi to everyone in the YouTube. Make sure to like and subscribe if you guys haven't already. Good morning all. Yeah, I started early today. I just fancied doing it. I was like, why not? Why not start a bit early? So yeah, 2 minutes time, we are getting a closure, a strong bet, bullish one. But I really want to close above this zone. I think that'd be good, giving us a bit more confirmation. So if you do this, get a closure, or the next candle, the next one makes a lower wick, and then if not, if price starts to retrace over here and does this, comes down, and then gets a closer like this, and then we have a little wick up, and then the drive down, that'll be also very, very nice. So I'm already planning what I really want to see for the setups, and then we just wait. So yeah, buys above, closures below. Let me just mark this out so everyone sees. Closures below 153.333. Ah, fuck, that was hot. And then yeah, so buys above over here. Let's mark this. Wicked. Oh my god. Someone's meta traded just went straight through my ass. Holy shit. Let's take a look at here. So yeah, buys above. So it's looking like it's in quite a nice range actually. I'm not really too asked. I think if we do get breaks, we're gonna be have some pretty good trades. So decent. Don't worry about it. It's tasty. It's all good. It's all good. So 41 viewers, amazing guys. We're filling up nicely. So yeah, this is what my chart looks like today. Very simple. I think could be pretty good. Let's take a look at Scott over here. I joined slightly late and missed your analysis. I took this before you got stopped out of break even. Ah, you got stopped out of break even. Let's take a look over here.
Yeah, so I took it as that 15-minute flip. So the 15-minute closed above the zone there.
Yeah.
Waited for the bottom wick to form first, took it, but then on that last candle there, it just came down and tapped me out, and I missed 10 pips, and I think it got close to 10 pips, and I set it to break even, and anyway, it came back down and stopped me break even, and then obviously flew.
Yeah, I think that is probably just the time. So let's have a look at what the time is. I think it's just before London, so normally the volume isn't there. It's still like if this was London Open and made the low wick here, this shit would have ran instantly. So that's fine. I mean, it was good to have your break even. You shouldn't have taken a loss there. Obviously, it wouldn't have taken a loss anyway. But don't look at that as a negative. Just look at you know, it's probably the time. Most of the trades that you guys do that don't go right, so that one, the GA one that someone put in yesterday, is mainly the time. The timing of the candles. Go where there's volume, because the volume will make it so much easier. Even though it's like tempting to do it, just go, nah, I'm just going to wait until New York session, or wait until London, for sure. So if you look at gold, so that you mean this one tapped you out here. This is 7 AM, yeah, it's alright. That was a great trade though, for sure. Got a closure above, so this is the resistance. I did say that'd be closure above. Did this not get to 10 pips? One sec. No, it didn't. Yeah, that's just because the volume's really low. That's fine. Don't worry about it. But that was good. That was good though. Closure above. Wait for the low wick. Bomb. Easy. That must have been like zero drawdown, basically, right? Pretty much.
Yeah, it was pretty much zero drawdown. It was only the problem was when I got filled too. I probably got 10 pips in terms of on the trading view chart, but I didn't quite get my 10 pips on MetaTrader, and so I probably should have just closed anyway.
It's alright. Don't worry about it. Yeah, it's just the times. 6:30 is normally quite low volume. Don't worry about it.
Oh, I'm not super concerned. I just wanted to hear your thoughts because I joined a bit late just to see whether you thought it was good
valid.
Or
No, it was. Yeah, it was valid for sure. I did say that. I said I would have entered there. So exact same position I would have. Beautiful. And let's take a look. Collective buy orders to absolutely melt. On what? On GJ? Yeah. Well, I mean, you know, I'm still going to be fluid, you know. If we do get closures above over here, I'll be happily taking some buys as long as we get a lower wick. But yeah, I'd prefer sells, to be honest. I would prefer sells. I think they'll be a lot easier. We'll have to see. No trades taken in this zone. So this zone here is a no trade zone, okay? Make it easier say it for yourself. Don't guess where it's going. Just waiting for the candles to close. Give you the confirmation. What's the Aussies' full name? We've got a lot of Aussies in here now. We've got the full Australian squad. We've got Benny. I know we've got Scott. We've got Finn. We've got. Is there any more?
Yeah, Jay.
Jay, that's it. Jay. Jay's not in here. Oh yeah, he is. Squads. Collective bios, yeah, GJ. Looking good, looking good. I think we're going to be pretty nice to get some trades here, hopefully. Could be a buy, could be a sell. I don't know. We're just going to wait patiently. So, GA, let's take a look. Kind of like melted yesterday with the news. So, yeah, GJ, it was interesting yesterday. If you look, we haven't actually taken that many trades from London. So, London session this week compared to last week, a lot slower. I think that the moves weren't as clean. That's fine. That's why, you know, it kind of changes between NY and London. People ask me like which one's better. It really depends on the week. The good thing is I can do both, so I don't really mind about that. This week definitely NY. We've had some really good trades at NY. Yesterday we waited patiently for GJ sells for fucking hours basically. I finally got it. Okay, wicked. So daily and 4 hour are pretty bullish. Looking at the 30-minute, we actually closed above. Did I have a closure? Yeah, actually had a closure above. Waiting for the low wick. Did this get 10 pips? One sec. No. So he's a little volume again, 6 AM. So, what am I thinking for GA? I can see there's a lot of traffic and resistance towards this zone, which isn't really that far away. So for me, I probably want buys above this zone. So let's take a look and see if that was similar. And then sells for me. Potentially here, or just waiting for the lows to break. Let's take a look at someone else's chart and for GA. Let's take a look at them. Is this Kevin's GA? Yeah. 82800. Let's take a look. Beautiful. Very, very easy. See? The group is learning how to mark out zones very nicely. Just repetition every single day. Someone looking at them makes it a lot easier. A lot easier. Buys above 1.82816. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I am bearish bias on GJ. Nice. Sounds good. I agree. I have a feeling it will fake out from the upside and then melt. Yeah. The good thing is we don't really get faked out with our method. Like, you know, what could potentially do, right? If we think that GJ is going to fake out, you know, we don't know, but for example, if we do get the closure above over here, then if you enter here, then it is risking it. But because we wait for the lower wick, if it wants to fake out, they'll normally never come back up and flip. It'll normally just do this. It may make a top one straight away, which I never do because I wait for the bottom wick. Then do this, close back in. I haven't entered yet, and then therefore back in the zone. And I potentially would take a sell here, which would be a closure back in the range, which would look like one of my setups over here. This one. Can you see? We'll get a closure back up, closures back in the range. We've got the 4 hour with us, and then there you go. So literally, and then the daily's there as well. It's literally exactly the same as this. So that could be potential. Then I'll take sells. So the good thing is when you wait for the lower wick to form, and then you get in either on the flip or the high, you stop yourself from getting faked out a lot of the time. So another great way while we wait for it. Could you go through yesterday's GJNY sells? Yeah, I can actually. I can. I'll take you through them. So GJNY. So price came down. You know, what I wanted from yesterday. Let's take a look over here. What I wanted from yesterday was to have a little retracement, and you can see we didn't really get that. It was just continuing down, bearish, 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 bearish. So I opened the chart to right around this level over here, and I could see that, you know, the wicks are very, very big. The first thing is that I saw this 15-minute candle closure. I was like, oh great, we've got a 15 closure. It's coming up over here. Could we make in some support for them resistance later? 1 second here. Some nibbling over here. And I was like, okay, great. Look where it kind of tapped. Look, 1 second. Let's draw the zones. So look, this is the support. Price comes back and taps the support. So I'm like, great. If we get a bearish rejection over here, we could be good. And then this candle over here comes all the way down. And looking at it over here, if I try to get in this trade, look at the stop loss. 30 pips stop loss. I was like, holy shit, okay. I need to look at the lower time frames to see if I could try and get in. Because it was good. We were rejecting the highs. Volume was coming in. We were flipping the higher time frames again. We were pushing down. So then I went on the 5 minute. Oh, let me just put it over here. So this was the candle. Coming down, closing. And I entered when this 5 minute made a top wick. And exceeded the low right here, I think. Let's take a look at the signal. So I think I gave it a 10 pip stop, and I just said sell. 1 second, where is it? 449. So I think I got in like 349. Yeah, so I got in like right around this area. So I got in it to a sell position, expecting price to drive down with the volume right around here with a 5 minute stop here. Price came all the way down, tapped us up 15 pips. And then I ate, and then yeah, I got stopped out, and then unfortunately it came back down, and people actually got into more sells over here later on with a 15 closure. So, but that was the trade. Very, very easy. Just waiting for rejections and the highs to then continue down. Easy peasy. So looks like we're getting a closure here in 6 minutes time. Okay. Should be the 30-minute closing as well. Be the hourly continuing up, exceeding the highs. For smart money traders, there's also an order block around the anticipated fake out area. For smart money traders, smart money. Have I got dumb money traders? Am I dumb money? If you guys are new here, make sure to like and subscribe as well. We're here every single weekday. Haven't taken too many trades for London this week, but Monday was chalked. Tuesday was okay. Wednesday was chalked, I'm pretty sure. Thursday was okay. So yeah, Yeah, I'm going to wait for 153.777 for buys just because the daily's so bearish. Yeah, to be honest with you, that could be a fair option. We should ban the phrase order block in the YouTube chat, innit? Order blocks are coming for you, the banks. Oh, fuck off. Yeah, to be honest, you know, buys above over here. I'm looking at this kind of chalked zone. I may actually move this, to be honest, because if you get into a trade here, look at the price action here. I may wait until 630 or potentially 700 or 7874. Let's take a look over here. If I get into trades here, 8 pips. Yeah.
It was like, what's up, man? That was kind of like end of the session though. What was that? Real late.
What was this?
That little consolidation zone.
Yeah, like in here.
What was that?
Indecision. I mean, we could have buys above 153.630 where the daily's with us potentially. I'll see.
Yeah.
I want to see how this closes. And if it makes a nice low wick and then flicks up, then I may take that because it's rejecting the lows. So if it like does this, makes a nice low wick for me, then flips and continues, I may just take that because I'll be flipping the daily with us. Yeah, 4 minutes time. It's okay. Starting to get a bit of volume now, which is good. Looks like gold is continuing. Let's take a look at gold on the hourly. Ooh, gold on the hourly looks pretty good. Pretty good to continue and potentially hit these highs over here. 1803. Wicked. GA is coming up as well. Not too bad. GJ is closing in 4 minutes time. I'm looking at 30-minute closes past 580. 580. What, like this resistance here? Yeah, potentially. But then it's too close to this resistance. My only issue. I'll have to see. I really do want to have sells a bit more, but the hourly looks good here, to be honest. For buys. I still don't know how to join the Smart Money Trader group. On GG, I put sell stop and buy stop above and below 30 minutes just before the news came out. Oh wow, that would have played out nicely. That would have played out pretty nicely. 30-minute closures above 153,500 might be dangerous because it's 30 minutes to London Open, plus bearish bias, higher chance of fake out as opposed to close above at London Open, where volume can price up. Very, very true. Very, very true. I think, you know what, so if you're feeling a bit like, ooh, like I don't really like these buys, etc., what we could do is we can wait, and this is what I might do, to be honest. This is what I might do. I might wait for the hourly, because the hourly has an hour resistance here. Right? If the hourly closes above that zone in 30 minutes time, then we are pretty good. We've got good confirmations to potentially continue bullish. Okay? But I think I may wait for this hourly, okay? That's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to wait for the hourly. Just let me give you that little bit extra confirmation. Anyway, if this 30-minute doesn't close above, then there wouldn't be any trades anyway. So yeah. And IC markets closes above that zone. What do you mean like IC markets looks different? Let's take a look. Looks pretty similar to me, doesn't it? Gold coming up. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Oh, GJ Plan. Someone's got some charts for me to look at. Great. Yeah, gold is coming up, but still, I'm not taking it until we close above. Over here. Potentially wait for the next hourly to make a lower wick, because the hourly looking pretty strong. Thing is, also with this one, look, the hourly of the previous here hasn't closed above, so this could potentially wick up like this one did and then close below. So if we wait for the hourly, I think we're going to be in such a better place. I think potentially. Yeah, boy, that was nice though, man. I think maybe potentially here would have been nice. 730 for the lower wick, and then boom. How big was this little wick? 7 pips for a 17 pip. Oh! Gold be looking meaty. Yeah, gold is looking pretty good. My only issue is the hour. Like, just to be honest, it's the traffic towards the left I don't really like. Like, they're coming to our towards 4 hours resistance. Just a lot of wicks everywhere. I don't really like the zone run with gold, to be honest. So let's take a look. It's gonna get closure in 20 seconds time. Nice. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. But as I said, I'm probably gonna wait for this hourly to give me just that extra bit of confirmation. And because the daily's so bearish, well, it isn't that bearish to be honest, but because like the price is very, very bearish in general, I want to be very patient with my buys. I took these buys in gold, however, got stopped out of break even. Yeah, I think a lot of people did. I think it's just because there wasn't enough volume. You got in at 6 a.m., 6:30. It's too early for London volume. Let's see if this can continue over here. 5-minute closing bearish. Okay. Not too sure if you go check it out when London melts, flies. I really want to show that YouTube channel to everyone. That was so funny. Oh my god. That's fucking hilarious. Do you watch for higher time frame trends? Yes, that's why I've got my 4-hour flip and my daily flip. So looking at the 50-minute, I can see the 4 hours bullish, the daily's bearish. I'm a bit kind of scarce about these buys anyway, so for me I'm potentially going to wait until we get closures either above 630 or even more so just above 770. I think that'll give me a bit more kind of confirmation, because we'll have the daily with us now, be stronger. I think getting in here could be a bit risky, so I'm going to have no risky trades today because I'm up pretty good for the week now actually. We've had 3 winning streaks for the past 2 days, very, very nice. And then I took some gold trades by myself, which I couldn't put in the chat, and then we got some nice trades on Tuesday as well. So yeah, do you trade NFP? Probably not. Probably not. I may look for trades beforehand, because sometimes gold has some nice trades beforehand I've seen. Timmy can look for buys today. Yeah, Timmy can look for buys when this candle turns yellow, whatever colour that is. Blue or white, whatever the fuck it is. I'm too colourblind for this. I mean, yeah, look, 30-minute close above, so it does have potential. My issue is the hourly. I just want to give me that extra confirmation. And this zone we're in here is just a bit, oof. It's fair, clean candles here, just a bit shocked at this level. How much pen is you up for this week? Like 4.8? Something like that, 4.8. Last week I was up 15%. The week before I was up 9%. So you know, very, very simple, very, very easy. You don't have to take many trades. You just have to win them. Let's take a look at GJ Plan by Nishal over here. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you whack the subscribe button. Really helps us out. Let's take a look at this chart. We're growing very, very big on London Open over here. Not London, London Session. Soon we'll hit 2,000 subscribers. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. As I said, I give all of the revenue basically away to you guys with Magic Keys giveaways. So the more revenue I get, the more money I can give to you. Okay, so buys above 530. You're looking for that, nice. And potential buys above 153,700 that we're looking at as well, nice. Looking not too bad to continue potentially. Wicked. Wicked, wicked, wicked. Look at this 5-minute, kind of struggling over here. Just having a little bit of a struggle. I'm going to be very, very cautious. You trade your own funds or prop? My own funds now. Do you think watching monthly, weekly, 12-hour, 2-hour, and 20 minutes is too much? Yeah, just keep with 15, 30, hourly, 4-hour, and daily. That's enough, and no weekly every so often. Yeah, don't be worrying about that. We've got 22 people in Zoom today, all eating well this week. So, you know, looking at the value that we've been given in the past in the past week, we've given out beautiful signals. You can check them all out here. I'm literally scrolling through all of them. And then, look, I've also put in a gold simulation part 1. What's it called? 10 live streams, a recap of the trades, like just talking about why I didn't like certain trades, another gold simulation part 2, fire trades all the day, how to identify your bias, and recap of GJ, and then also the webinar this week talking about what you should be doing every single day in and out. So yeah, that's what you get for 1 week, which would cost you like around about 12 quid, all that. And if you have an account, you'll be making money as well, because we have had a profitable week again, as usual. We don't take losing weeks. So here we go. Didn't close above, so be careful. Like, try not to get into buys thinking that we're going to break zones. Get the confirmation. You know, we had resistance here when we got the closure. This was the entry candle for a buy. Unfortunately, it would have stopped a lot of people out because of this stupid wick, because it was too before like volume. But then at 7 AM we continued. But yeah, so we got the closure here. This is the confirmation to then continue up. Do you have any success with trading prop firms? Yeah, I did. With Fun and Talent, I had some good success actually. Looks like we're continuing. Looks like we are continuing. Man, nice. To be fair, the bottom wick wasn't really enough for me either. 1 pip bottom wick. Hell no. Hell no. Looking good. Yeah, this is the kind of zone I don't really want to be putting in, because, you know, if we can get one bearish candle, then I can ride that bitch all the way back down. I want a complete structure break, which is over here, which will be with the daily, the 4 hour. It'll be really, really strong. I could then potentially take trades, but at the moment we are still bearish. So always using, you know, from higher time frames to lower time frames, using all of your time frames. Don't just use one. What's the point in using one when you can use all of them? If you guys haven't liked the stream yet already or subscribed, make sure to like and subscribe. If you're new here, say you're new here and I'll come and say hi to you. Welcome you. Oh, I need to see, did anyone watch this game? Did anyone watch the Tottenham game? Did they play well? 3-2, not the best, but he was only in charge for like 1 day, to be fair. He looks like a much better manager. That Nuno kid, he isn't doing anything. He just sits there and does this. Like, he needs a passionate one, like screaming at them. Fucking run! What is your equity? What do you recommend a person to start with? I'm approaching 55,000. And what do you recommend a person to start with? If you've just started trading, $100 please, because you are going to lose whatever you put in at the start. Do you sound like a Geordie? I am from Newcastle, but no, not really. I don't really sound too. If I'm speaking to people from like town, like from Newcastle, then I will, but like not around this area. So running off nicely over here. Wow, a lot of volume, but I'm still gonna be patient. I'm gonna be looking for buys above over here. 100% a small account for the first time is better. Yep. For sure. To be honest, actually, I said that wrong, right? You need an account where when you lose the account, you're still going to be a bit affected by it. Like, it's going to piss you off a little bit. Because if you just like, if you've got like £1 million in the bank and you put 100 quid in and you lose it, you're not going to really care, are you? So do it so where like it's going to be like, oh, I hurt, but I'm telling you now, you're going to lose your first amount of money. So think like how much I can lose right now. Yeah, exactly. How much can you lose right now without fucking bursting your bank? Like a lot of people on Instagram who are trying to join my mentorship go, oh, I can't afford like £49, could I do 30? I'm like, well, why the fuck? No, like if you can't afford that, then you can't afford to trade really. Like fucking hell, come on. You shouldn't be doing this with like fucking 10 goats in your bank account. You need to have some money in. So just continuing, but you can see like this is the zone we're in. You can either get in early with some support, but this is the zone I kind of want to avoid. But if we do break, we've got clean candles. If we break, we've got clean candles. To a breakdown here as well would be nice as well. Holy shit! I just got a fucking ear rape. I just got an ear rape. You watching United City tomorrow for sure? For sure I am. If daily flips was lower lower was a nice trade. Yeah, I think that could have been an option here. The issue is, where would your stop loss be? Oh yeah, 8 pip stop. Nice, yeah. Well, you fuckers didn't let me take that. 10 pip trade under the 15-minute. Yeah, pretty good. So coming towards a little minor resistance over here. See how it reacts to it. See how it reacts to it. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. Yeah, I'm gonna watch the Man United City game. I found some good links on the internet now to watch them for free. So, so I'm pretty good with that. And yeah, we're just waiting patiently to give us something over here. 1,423 subscribers. Amazing, we're doing well. Make sure to spam that subscribe button. Takes 1 second, and I'm teaching you how to properly do some price action. I saw a streamer last night with the boys in NY who was horrendous. Oh my god, I feel sorry for people who watch him. God dang it. So I'm teaching you how to correctly do it. Proper risk management, proper trades. I'm up 35 pips on GJ. Wow, where did you get in here? No, where the fuck did you get in? Right around this area, damn. Wicked. Ronaldo's just smash City, hopefully. I won't know, unfortunately. I don't think. I think it's going to be a dark and gloomy day for Manchester United tomorrow. Oh, God. Foden is going to rip them apart. Look at that, see? So be careful. Never try and buy the highs over here. I got in the 4-hour flip mate to full range and runner. Beautiful. Very, very nice. I should have taken that trade, to be honest. Just people were like, oh, I did this. It's all good, it's all good. I'll wait patiently for the highs to be broken. Or some resistance. So, what could happen is we should continue here, and great, I'll take some buys. If we do then start getting some bearish structure and resistance forming, I'll be looking for closures below this zone, back into this zone, and this will then not be a no trade zone, and I'll wait for the top wick, and then boom, I'll be in that bitch. Okay. That is what I'll be looking for. Okay, GA. Okay, GA. 4-hour daily bullish. Okay. I mean, a closure above over here is going to be pretty solid in 17 minutes time. For the London Open. Are you in a trade? No. No. That 5 minute was fire. Let's see how it reacts on it though. It hasn't closed above this resistance though, so gotta be careful. What's your lot size in GJ and gold? GJ is 5 lot, gold is 2 lot. Sometimes I'd put GJ up to 7 though, depending on the setup. Fear always creates scenarios actually never happen. It just stops us to make decisions. Very true. Very, very true. Can we buy now? We'll go for it if you want to. For me, I'm going to be waiting for the highest to be broken. Because if you look at it on the scale of things, and the higher time frames like this is just a consolidation. You know, what could price do? Price could consolidate and then start to form some bearish structure and then fly down again. And look at the clean candles to the left. If we break these lows, we're coming down to like here. Because you've got clean candles, which is a great move. So yeah, I'm only looking for buys if we do exceed these highs over here, which would be, you know, the daily, the 4-hour will be heavily bearish, heavily bullish. We can continue. Whereas at the moment, look at the daily. The daily's just a little bit bullish. It's nothing much. A bit doji, to be honest. Oh my god, my back is sore. Holy shit. Yeah, we're still patiently waiting. I think in 15 minutes time, if we do get that closure for GA. This could really be good. Got a clean candle to the left as well. Can you see that? Clean candle to the left. So I'm going to be patiently waiting. And if you get the closure, I'm going to be in. I'm going to be in, man. I'm going to be in. Let's take a look at Discord and put the charts in over here. Today, let's take a look. Easy, you looking for trades? So you're looking for buys above 780, potential sells below 153,200 for sure. Looks good to continue back down. You got break-even zones where you'll be putting your stops to break even, and you've got some zones. So 152, 125. Where did I put mine? 152, 754. Beautiful. Morning, Nathan. Morning. Good morning. It's a Friday. It's a Friday. So let's take a look at all of actually my trades. So taking 2 and 1 through London. That was on the first day. Oh, is that NY session? Let's take a look over here. Yeah, it was. Oh, we got another subscriber here. EA, beautiful. So here we go. So we got the 2 losses, the 1 win. No, we got the 1 win. Sorry, 1 win, 2 win, then the 1 loss. So 2 wins, 1 loss. 3 wins, 1 loss. 4 wins, 1 loss. 5 wins, 1 loss. 6 wins, 1 loss. 6 wins, 1 loss. That is today. That is this week's. Very, very nice. Look at GA, mate. Something good coming. Yeah. Like that's what I'm going to be doing. 40 minutes time. I want to get a closure above this zone over here. Then potentially run that bitch back up. Something going good. Yeah, I think it could be going good. Look at that rejection for gold. Damn. So be careful. Gold is coming. GJ is coming up as well. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, to be honest, I really should have taken that tape. I thought I was going and it was coming to the daily. Just this kind of traffic here is a bit of a query for me. But we'll see what the London Open brings us. Did we say we have any news? No, we have no news, so should be pretty easy for us to take trades. I can't wait to watch this video later on. I'm a big tech nerd, so I'm gonna be looking. Where is he? Marcus Brownlee. Anyone follow him? He's done the he's done this review. He's doing the review on it. His camera quality in his offices are sick. Oh, fuck off. New tricks. Oh god. Let me play some CS:GO in that bitch. Look at this, 1440p. Jeez. Look at his lighting. His lighting is just sexy as hell. Imagine he's been doing that his whole life, like just reviewing shit. I'd love that. He's got the 8K video cameras. Yeah, man, it's pretty good. GJ is coming. He's coming. It's breaking above. Where should it come? It should come to these highs, and this is when I'll be interested to take some trades above over here. As long as we get a closure above. Like if this kind of closes and the next one comes over here, closes above like that, then I'll look for some buys. But at the moment, I'm not. I'm chilling. 30k cameras, yeah, man, mad. Petabyte servers, that's just ridiculous. That is mad. I bet you're gonna make a fake out potentially. Alex Genie, buy right now. No, do not buy right now. All you have to do is subscribe right now. Subscribe right now. Wait for buys later on. If you get into buys, this was an entry here if you wanted to take buys. Now it's coming towards resistance and some resistance here as well, which isn't even 10 pips away. So better buys are going to be above 153,770. Okay. What's your spread for GA? Mine is 2 pips. Let's take a look. Mine is half a pip nearly. 0.7 of a pip. Gold is basically 0, and GJ is half a pip as well. So there you go. IC Markets, the best by far. If you guys do want to join my broker, I highly recommend it. It is the best by far. Everyone knows it is. The spreads are the tightest. I think I could put a link on it over here. It is the best by far because it's got the most amount of people. There you go. Make sure you join that link. If you join that link, you're with my group in the thing, and you get a lot of discount off the commissions and stuff. So join that bitch. Yeah, very, very good. So gold trades came down here. When you get to these highs, you have to wait for the closure. Come on, 10 minutes time. Give me a nice strong candle above. I only want this with a strong candle because this is also pretty bearish on the daily, etc. So gonna be a bit cautious, but still doesn't mean they can't work. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet and you're waiting patiently, make sure you like the stream. Let's try and get this to 100 likes. 100 likes a stream will do us nicely. GJ's still flying. Fuck you. I would have had that now. 15 pips over here. Nice. Very, very nice. But you know, price can reverse at any point in this zone over here, so be careful. 27 people in the Zoom. Nice. We've had a really, really good week. Solid. We've all been making really good progress. I'm very, very happy. I also see Francis took another trade, which is here, which looks like it worked perfectly as well. So Francis has been doing really, really well with his trades right now. Very, very solid. So if you guys do want to join, make sure you sign up. So the weekend you could watch all of the webinars, all the educational simulations, all that good stuff, ready for next week. So the mentorship link is in the chat. Make sure you join it, my man. Higher time phase bleeding on GA and GJ. Yeah, this could be just a little retracement potentially. Let's see Asian. Asian just ranged really. Pushed down at the start here and then just ranged. So that's why a lot of momentum's coming in for London. What we've realized recently is that GJ is normally the best with London if Asian hasn't moved. If Asian's pushed down a lot, we normally get a bit of a range for GJ at London Open. I see. Jason is gonna join the mentorship, then I'm jumping in from Jan. Done deal. Nice. That'd be cool. We could have us on streams. Jeez. Yeah, so later on, big news coming in. So potentially gold could wait in range until that news comes out, but it could be still good to continue. Look at GJ. Right, my focus is coming on this GA now. If GJ starts to reverse, I'll take a look. But for me, I'm gonna focus on GA. I think there's big zones to fill. Good morning, Andrea. Good morning. We're all here, ready to take some trades, hopefully, to finish off this good week again. So 6 trades, 1 win, 1 loss. What percentage is that again? 7 over 6. Oh, sorry. Let's take a look. So 6 over 7. 85%. Nice. Easy. I think that was the same as yesterday, last week as well. So 85% win rate is what we want to keep up with the demand. So yeah, beautiful. Do you trade NFP every so often? Potentially, maybe you buy something or sell something for a bit of fun if you've had a really good week. But most of the time, probably not. 153,750 is the point, my bruv. If GAJ breaks this level, then boom up. Yep. Are you going to watch the boxing match this weekend? Who's boxing? Oh, Cancelo. I'll probably watch the highlights. I think Cancelo's a really good boxer. I like watching him. He's pretty good. And there's a good UFC card. Why you trade NFP, buy stops and sell stops every so often? Not all the time, but sometimes, yeah. Do you watch Squid Game? Yeah, I watch Squid Game. Squid Game is sick. And normally me, I can't watch like channels like that. I can't watch shows like that. Sorry. I just find like Netflix and shit too boring. I've got like a brain that's just always clicking. I don't really like sit and watch stuff. But I really enjoyed it. Would you suggest me to use 1.4% risk on funded account as well like you? No. I think with a funded one, maybe do 1%. I think 1%. Well, whatever you feel comfortable with. Ooh. GA just went, nope, I ain't getting that closure for you, Maxi boy. Little shit. Look at the 1 minutes. Yeah, not the biggest amount of volume closing above over here. Take a look. And gold coming down as well. Nice. 50 likes, guys. Amazing. 50 likes before 8 o'clock. That's gorgeous. Has anyone else taken any trades this morning in the Zoom? Come and chat to me. I know Francis has taken one. Hello, Ibs. How you doing, my man?
I'm cool, man. I'm just struggling with my screen here. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Good,
yeah,
good.
This new setup's winding me up a little bit, but I'm getting.
I've
still got to get my magic key set up, so I've not really had a chance to get the magic key set up. I'm going to try this the one on the screen first. See how I'm getting on with that.
It's quite easy to set up, to be fair. It really isn't that bad. Easy peasy.
Yeah, man. For you, it is.
Did you watch the game last night?
Huh?
Did you watch the game last night?
I was there.
Oh, you were there. Was it good?
Man.
Was it good change? Did you see anything different?
Yeah, it's good. I mean, look, you like him because he's very animated, isn't he? He's on the touchline. That's what you want from a manager. He's like the old Alex Ferguson.
And I thought Nuno was he didn't have much emotion. He just sat there with his arms folded. Like, that's not what you want to do. Like.
Yeah, that's right. A bit weird, wasn't it? There you go. I'm on that. Yeah, so across the board, you can see that he's going to do well. You can see he's like, like the old Italians when they put my live screen on, so you can see what I'm going to do. But when you see like the old, there you go. The old, can you see me?
Wait, what? Oh, wait a second. I can't. There we go. Sheesh.
The old Italians want to give it some of that. you know that means something, didn't it?
Yeah. He does look pretty passionate. He does look pretty good.
Yeah, he's good, man. He's good. He's going to do very well. You can see he's going to do well.
Yeah, thank God for that. Good stuff. Someone says Price is struggling at support and GG. Let's take a look at the 1 minutes. Yeah, it's starting to relax over here. I mean, if it doesn't close above, then yeah, it could be interessante. So for me, potentially sells below if you do close back in the zone again, which would be flipping the higher time frames again. But I am still bullish as well. I'm just fluent with them, just chilling. If you get a big wick in the first couple of minutes on GG Open, it'll be on the flip as long as this candle closes above 630. What, here? Yeah, potentially, yeah. Thing is, the hourly's closing really, really strong, actually. It is closing very, very nice. Oh, it's a shame GA rejected. It's a bit of a pain in the ass. I was looking nice for some GA buys over here. Gold coming down, really, really respecting this resistance. GJ, you arsewipe. To be fair, it runs up here even better for me, to be honest. So we know when 1 hour comes, it has to make a lower wick. So we've got a lot of time to wait. We could be Gucci. The only issue is we are still in this zone. So getting in here was really, really nice, solid. But for me still want to wait for these highs over here. Do 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 do. Do do do. 105 people, man. Damn, we literally like chilling on hundreds now. Why is it MT4 mobile tripping? I have no idea. Maybe you go to MT5. Maybe. MT5 is so much better on mobile. You can drag your stop loss and that. That's great. Yeah, let GJ run. My runner is milking. Lol. Your runner is running. Because MT4 is old. Yeah, it's just creeping up over here. It's nice. Coming towards a little bit of a resistance here. So getting into trades right around this area could be hard because look, we have resistance here, we have resistance here, we have resistance here. So I'm going to be waiting to clear all of this and then get some clean candles to the left over here. So I'm very disciplined, you know. I missed kind of the move here, which I probably should have taken, to be honest. But I missed that. So what am I going to do now? I'm going to wait until we break these highs because this could be hard. And look, can you see this 15-minute didn't close above? Here we go. So really respecting this, but I mean, if it does make the low, it can continue. All good as well. Oh, look at that 5-minute rejecting over here. Oof. Who's being noisy today, Stuart? Yeah, so for me, there's still nothing I'm looking at right now. GA, however, is coming down over here. That doesn't mean we can take any sells though, because look, daily's bullish, 4 hours bullish, hourly is bearish, 30 minutes bearish. Okay, I'm waiting for GJ to give me a closure in maybe 40 minutes time to then ride that bitch back down. And if this comes and flips up over here, I'll be looking for buys above. So being very, very patient. So look at that, flipping the daily again. I did think these buys were still gonna be chilling over here. So potential, what I'm looking at here is getting closures back in here. So if we get a closure below 480 level, 153 480s, if we're closing back in the range, and where does the range always do? We always fill the range. Right, come on guys, keep the try to keep the echo off. This could be just making the low wick to continue bullish though, which it could be. Look, it's making the low wick for the hourly, but for me, I'm going to be waiting for sells here and buys above. Easy. But just off the basis of the 5 minutes over here, not probably the best for any buys at the moment. The 5 minutes coming down. But yeah, the reason why I want to get closures back in this range because it'll be a closure back in the zone, which is, we've looked at it just before. Where is it? This one here. So it's closed above. If you get candles closing now below over here, like there, then this is the confirmation. Wait for the top wick, enter, Bob's your uncle. So exactly the same as this. Look at this, the daily candle is where we want it. The 4 hour, it will be when we enter. So textbook. But if we do flip over here and start exceeding, that's fine. For me, the zones and like the kind of resistance levels are too close for me to take any trades here. For example, like this one here is 6 pips. This one here is 12, so 6 pips for the trade. Nah, I'm just gonna chill. 56 likes if you guys have learned anything today. Make sure to like the stream and subscribe as well. I haven't hit the subscriber button that much. I want to hear the Wolf of Wall Street subscriber button. This could be making the low wick to continue though. We'll have to see. And GA is coming down. Hasn't exceeded the low of the previous hourly though, so you know it could be just making the low wick to continue, just like GJ really. Has exceeded the low of the previous 15 though, however. And what do we normally say when the bodies of the candles over here is smaller than the bigger ones here? So that looks like rejection to me. So I'm gonna be pretty patient. You just bought Milan. Nice. Well, I hope that works out for you. I think maybe buying probably here would be better if this flips up and then exceeds potentially. But it looks like buying might be not the best idea right now. So, I could be wrong. Full margin, 10 trades to the top side. Yeah, what was that guy saying on you and live stream before? Yeah, so look. We are creating support here. Look, support, look, rejection, look, support, rejection. What does he do here as well? He does this. Support, rejection, look. Right, this is looking good. Yes! Yes! Looking good. So the setup that I've been wanting. Oh, I wish I recorded that because that'd be really good for the Instagram. For fuck's sake. Let me just draw it again for the Instagram. So, can I close you like this? Will look like this setup. I'm just doing this for Instagram, guys. Sorry. Just in case it does come out. Look at that. Identical. Look at the daily. Look at the 4 hour. Get rid of that as well, actually. This is going to be a trade zone now because we're closing back in. See, I wasn't very happy with them buys. I was just being patient. Now look where the volume's coming. Now look where the volume's coming. Yes! Now don't you dare run without me. You wait 9 minutes. So this is interesting. This is where price could potentially make some support here. If it closes back in the zone though, it's going to fill this zone back up and potentially fill this zone back up. So very delicate area. Please don't run too much. That's what I'm thinking, Nate. Make sure you like the stream then, guys, if you waited patiently. And now we're going to be potentially looking. So I'm going to be writing out a signal very soon. 9 minutes left. Would you not be worried of the lack of hourly top wick? Let's take a look over here. It's still got one. Yeah, I suppose. It's alright. At least it's got one. I don't really care. As long, if it didn't have one, then it would be an issue. But it does have one, so it's all good. Milan, damn man, yeah. Yeah, bro, you never buy when a candle's red. Make sure you buy one maybe on the flip. But that's good. You'll recognize now. But look, this is the delicate area. I really wanted to get it to close below this zone. If it doesn't close below, this could potentially make it some support to then continue back up. So very delicate area over here. Looking at the daily is bearish again now, rejecting the highs. 4 hour is bullish, but when we want to enter, we'll be flipping the 4 hour, which would be tasty. So like right around the zone over here. Oh, piss off. There you go. 153.455 area. Stop loss will be. We'll have to see where the stop loss will be. 10 pips. So how far would be 10 pips if we're getting like right around here? 324. Oh, don't you dare run all the way. Relax. Chill, GJ. Chill. So. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. So, unfortunately, people with the buys over here, you don't have to be greedy. You know, this candle didn't really close above over here. Be careful. Because the 8 o'clock candles can just reverse just like that. Okay? This is maybe just a bottom wick to continue up. Yeah, that could be true. That could be true. This is why I'm waiting for a closure, a top wick, and then the drive. Okay? So look at this now. We are flipping the 4 hour very soon, rejecting the highs over here. So everything that I've wanted is coming to life very soon. What funding program did you use? I used Funding Talent. I would not recommend them though anymore because of what they've been doing. Just don't really like that. And their actual servers are shite, so don't use them. Towards the end, like my servers, I couldn't take any trades. It just lagged all the time. which is annoying. So yeah. Fuck's sake, chill. Will you wait for a 15 or 30 minute? I'm thinking 30. Probably 15 to be honest. 13, 15. If this candle closes just like this, makes a top wick and then drives, I potentially will get in. But it has to close below the zone for sure. The wick up needs to retest any level. The wick up, potentially. The wick up needs to come into the zone. So right around this area probably. Just anywhere in this zone. And then the flip exceeding, so it'll be coming back into this zone. It'll be rejecting it, so yeah. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. But if this candle in 5 minutes time doesn't close below, I'm not taking any trades because this could be potentially just making some support to continue up. I need the closure below. You get me, you get me. What's the difference between a standard account and raw spread account IC markets? Raw spread is the tightest spread, so you pay commissions but you get the best spread. If you have a normal account, you don't pay commissions but your spread's a bit bigger. So I pay for my spreads because they're so tight. Look at this rejection from the upside. Oh my god, we're flying. Flying. Flying, I tell you. Can't believe we're about to manifest the fake out. Bro, I told you. Because I was waiting for, you know, being safer. Either get in here or don't get in at all because it is still in the zone over here. And we could ride this bitch all the way back down to the lows. It needs to chill though because, oh, don't just run off but before anyone else can get in. GJ, come on, boy. Oh, you're such an arse wipe. It's just ran the whole way in one candle. What the fuck? Oh, you're so annoying. Right, okay, well, sell's below over here now. Great. GJ, give me some chill today. Holy smokes. Like, I hope everyone in cells over here got out of your cells. I think that would be wise for you guys to take their buys off over here. I got in the break of the 5 minute. What, here? Nice. Flip another 4 hour. Oh, GJ, just chill. Just chill, man. Just chill a little bit. Holy shit, run fucking... How far did that run there? Just ran 30 pips, like... in 15 minutes? Damn, son. So now we're coming close to the support over here, so I need to wait for kind of a zone to be breaking here now. Look at the 30 minute though. Look at that 30 minute. Look at the hourly. So hourly is going to be exceeding the low of the previous hourly, which will be interessante. But for me, it's a bit annoying because now the zone is too small for me to take a trade. Look, I wanted to get in like here to ride it back down. We've already done that move, so pretty annoying, I'm not going to lie. Oh, GJ, holy shit. So, okay, closure below over here is what I'll be probably wanting to continue, potentially. Look at the 30 minute, yeah. Oh my god. Relax. Relax, GJ. This first 15 minutes, holy shit. This week was impulse entry week. Yeah, man, for sure. Holy shit. I don't take them, though. Don't take that. I want high probability. I want to keep my 85% win rate for this week. So people in them buys, you know, you shouldn't be greedy. You should have been taking profits off when you got to next resistance zones, because this is what can happen to you. London Open can completely reverse. Okay. So if you guys like the stream and waited patiently, you know, taking them buys if you wanted to, but don't be greedy with them. Don't be greedy. Get in, get out, shake it all about. GJ is not giving me any options because it's just running like a little shit. Just pull up a little bit for the next minute, please. Oh my god. Oh my god. Approaching the 4 hour lows. Yeah, boy. Look at that now. Oof. Looks tasty. Still looks like a lot more room. Yeah. For sure, for sure. If it closes right here, And I get a top wick and a breaking of the lows here, 296 potentially. Thing is that the zone now, like, look, our 14 pips isn't too bad, to be honest. Oh man, only 46 minutes, cannot wait for the next week. Innit? Yeah, like the 4-hour closures are so annoying. Yeah, the US just backwards. Why can't you just do your clocks easier? So a lot of bearish pressure, a lot of pressure coming down over here. Damn. Damn, Daniel. Now it's retracing up a little bit. Mad. I mean, very, very hard, but sometimes, you know, I can't take all the trades. I want a nice closure like here to then write it down, and you can see it would have worked perfectly if it just chilled a little tiny bit. But this looks like news again. Like, this looks like just a lot of volume, a lot of stuff coming out. GBP is down, yeah. Easy 30 pips short, I told you. What do you mean? I told everyone in this chat I'm not looking for buys until we come over here. I said sells are going to be in this bitch. Okay, we got a closure. Hasn't really closed up below, which is a bit annoying for me. We'll have to see you in the 5 minutes. For me, you know, it's not looking, you know, it's a pain in the ass. Where's my stop going to be? Like, I just don't know. So rather annoying, but sometimes you can't do this. This is definitely news. I can see on like IC markets. It's just look at the spontaneous. It's just melting. It's just so if I can't get a nice move, I have to wait patiently.
I gotta get my magic key sorted out, mate.
Good stuff. Good stuff.
I'll tell you what. I just went into that trade because it was going down, and because I've not used this computer raw without a magic key for a while, I tried to close my cell.
Yeah.
It was just running and running. I'm thinking, come on, I'm making money. I want to get out. Pressing across and nothing was happening. So I ended up making money by mistake.
I know it's a killer and sometimes a good thing having no magic keys. It can take so long to get out. Wow. So very, very jealous for getting into these cells, but there's no confirmation I can get in. We wanted a closure here to then ride it back down. I wanted a closure here to ride it back down. These candles just haven't done that, and sometimes you just can't take them. So for me, what I'm waiting for closures below 199 now. So Jesus Christ, GJ. But knowing GJ right now, this bitch was just gonna run down the whole time and not give me any entry. What do you think about this setup for buys? Take a look. Ooh. So it's had a rejection, okay. I need to take a look at, so the daily's with you, okay. This is looking pretty good. So price came down, tapped the zone, rejected, came all the way back up. It exceeds the high over here, pretty nice. But where would your stop be? Let's take a look at that. So let me just change this to 200 now. Screw you, GJ. Screw you. But hey ho, you can't take all the trades. Ooh, yeah, this is looking. Look at the 30-minute. Just the hourly, but yeah, that's a pretty good move. The only issue is where's your stop gonna be? Get the 5-minute. 5-minute entry would be nice, I think. Yeah. Looks like gold is continuing, potentially filling up. Look at the 4-hour, filling up that wick, making some support. I think the main reason. How long do you think Forex will last for the world without world going cashless in a few years? If it's going cashless, they're still trading. Going cashless doesn't mean people aren't trading money for different types of money. Like cashless is like crypto. You still trade crypto, so you could it'll always be here. I took it as the broke the previous 15-minute high with stops below current 15 low. Nice. Current, so like right here. Shit, that could be nice for sure. So like, yeah, it's looking pretty good. Wait, where did you get in? Let's see over here. I took it as it broke the previous 15 with stops below, or the previous 15, so here. Okay, so prices already ran. Ooh, did it hit 10 pips for you? It's coming towards resistance. I probably would have cashed out a bit of that for sure, I think. It's the same scenario. Once crypto becomes as stable as currencies in 10 to 20 years and Forex eventually gets slower, then trading styles can just transfer. But for now, crypto. Yeah. Very true, Session. Very, very true. Very, very true. Oh, I'm so jealous that I literally planned this all out, but it's just no entries, man. Just so strong. There's no like little bit of a retest, just continued bearish. So I hope everyone taking these buys over here got out pretty quickly. Look at the hourlies exceed the low now, continuing bearish. Look at the 4 hour. Look at the daily. Oof. Oh my god. What do you think of my GJ chart on Discord? Let's take a look. So looking for sells below over here at 247, is it? Nice, rejected them highs, came all the way back down over here, continued. Wicked. Very, very easy, you know, making the support and resistances nice. So yeah, this week unfortunately hasn't been the best top wicks, that's what I've realized. Very minimal top wicks. I couldn't get into sells yesterday either, because look, the top wicks were very, very small here. But that's what you gotta do. Hopefully we can get a closure below 200. Yeah. I'm looking for at gold closing above 179854. Oh shit. So we can continuing over here. Damn, look at the 5 minutes. That's nice. Really, really strong 5 minute candle. Exceeding the high of the previous. Cracking. So when I was looking at GJ just not giving me the entries, gold over here, I may have taken that 5 minute. Nice. Look at that. So where could price head off over here? I was too late to enter in the 15. It moved so quick. Yeah. 1803 could be really, really nice to continue. So like 40 pips away. 40 pips away. I like this, but the 50-minute bottom wick was too small. Yeah, that's true. That is true. The only thing that I really don't think it would mind me that was too small is because this one's done most of the bottom wick. This one's done what the bottom wick needed to do to exceed these lows. If this one didn't, then yeah, I'd have to wait for that one. Because it's already done that, I probably still would have been fine with that. For sure. So here we go now. GJ is relaxing a little bit, pushing all the way back up. Didn't get a closure below here, so yeah. That was my thought. Yeah, the wick before it's already done that, so I'll be okay. GPAUD just coming down as well. So this looks like news. I'm not gonna lie, it's moved down way too quick to take any trades that are nice. Nice and secure ones. GJ into major support, brothers. That does not mean a buy. I repeat, that does not mean a buy. Major support does not mean buy this bitch, okay? Because you could have said that for, I don't know, here. You could have said that for here. You could have said that for here. And you would have been bummed every time. So, even though coming towards support doesn't mean support can't be broken. Would you take a 30-minute closure below 153,320? It's gone too far in the range, yeah. I'm going to wait until 153,200. So I actually talk about that. If the wicks have already came into the range, it's not really filling, like it's already done that. I'm kind of rejected a bit here. So I'm going to be waiting for sells below here. Don't be Timmy, yeah, don't be Timmy. Timmy is looking at the chart and Timmy doesn't see any sort of buys over here. Timmy just sees red. Red, red, red. Yeah, I think solid closure below over here would be nice for me. You know, but the thing is though, like, even though it's annoying, you know, it's a bit of a pain in the ass, it isn't like affecting me. I'm not like trying to get in. Like, I know what I want, and I wanted the closure here. I know that would have worked 100% of the time. The reason I didn't like this here is it's already pushed in so far to the next low. So, you know, if this just held its boots a little bit and closed here, then I would have been in it, but it didn't. So that's completely fine with me. That is completely fine. 111 viewers in YouTube, 26 on Zoom. We're doing really, really well over here, guys. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. If you learn something. Waiting for the higher time frames to kind of prevail over here. We were struggling when we flipped the daily, not really much volume, and then started to fly down. IC Markets has bad reviews on Trustpilot. Really? Literally, I've literally had absolutely. I wonder what they're reviewing about. It's probably like some. Let's have a look. Wait, IC Market. It's probably people who've lost all their money and they're just pissed off, to be honest. Let's take a look. What? How the hell is that? Bad reviews? What? Less than 2%? And let's see what their actual reason was. It's probably like fucking. Deposit within 5 minutes, withdraw 2 to 14 working days. Well, that's fucking false. You probably withdrew through a bank statement. If you do through PayPal, if you do through credit card, debit card, it takes 1 day. Connection to IC Market server is very slow. I think that maybe just your computer. They are truly the worst issue with my old card. It was lost, so I told them to allow me to withdraw my new account. They kept making circles, asking me to bring new proof and take round. Yeah, we have to make a new proof. I think a lot of people do realize that it's by the law. It's not their fault. So that's just someone being annoyed that maybe their credit card has changed their names. Tried to get through to an agent, but only a chatbot answering assist. This is why you have to email them, you fucking retard. So yeah, all of these are just stupid people. 88% excellent, 17,000 views. So there you go. So yeah, don't be phased about Trustpilot. It's normally people who do bad reviews on things that have really good reviews and people who are just retarded. So here we go. So I've been to about 4 brokers. Nothing compares to IC. IC Market is good. Even their withdrawals do not take long. Yeah. They go as the per of the regulations. Yeah, exactly. GJ running down in the last 3 minutes. That's classic GJ behavior. This week, it's been running down the past 3 minutes every single trade. So yeah, it's been hard. It's been hard this week for GJ, to be honest. I'm still waiting over here. Is GA coming down? GA hasn't closed below though, but GJ might do. Look at gold over here though. Damn. Closure in 3 minutes. Closure in 3 minutes. Ooh, which one's it gonna be? They don't use their brain, innit? Fucking hell. Withdrawals take 2 to 14 days. But if you go to IC Markets and you look at withdrawals, if you look at the withdrawals you can do via a lot of different ways. And yes, some of the ways take longer, but that's just look. So PayPal, it's PayPal. For first time withdrawals, you can do credit card, debit card. Withdrawals are processed free of charge. This, for me, if you've got a good bank, it depends where you're from. Like if you're from like fucking India and shit, it takes ages, but that's fair enough. Very, very easy. Looks like we're potentially getting a closure over here. Where can I find the patterns that you have stop loss? On my mentorship group. They are only for my mentorship group. So take a look over here. 2 minutes time getting a closure. I mean, if we get a nice top wick and exceed the low, this is going to be sexual, and I will take it. Like this. Exceed the low, I'll have a sell stop with a stop loss above. Yeet. Vantage affects the best. I don't think so. Rajabank slagged that off at the end. I think they were a bit shit. 30-minute looking pretty good at the moment. Yep, looking pretty good. Milan, man. Shit, I'm selling. You shouldn't sell either. Just wait for a closure. You're literally watching me. So Milan bought over here, and I said, be careful. That's not a buy. And now he's selling, waiting for until you get the closure. You know, you getting in right now and having a 1 to 2 pips more than me could actually make you have a losing trade and I have a winning trade. Because I'm waiting for the top wick and I'm waiting for the push. You potentially will get a lot of drawdown over here. You wait until you get a closure below. That's the confirmation you're leaving the zone. And then we fly. God, we've moved a lot. Holy shit. A lot of volume recently. I want to check the news after. I think it would be quite interesting. Okay, I'm taking a look for another places over here. 1 second. Oh, look at this. Look at this! So down here, 775. And furthermore, probably like here, 140. Okay. Do some big targets for today. Why not? Take a look. Gold looking nice. Ah, gold or GJ. Which one? Which one? Which one? So trades quite a lot. Gold. You see? If this closes, it's closing kind of a weak. Ooh, if this closes back in over here, then hell no. Oh, come on, GJ. 3 seconds, no! Look at that 1 minute, you fucking pussy. Potentially exceeding the low over here. Potentially. Potentially. That's what I'm saying. That would be an impulse trade. But I'd want to wait until you get a bit more of a top wick over here. So that is what I'll wait for. Classic. Yeah, just sometimes this happens, you know. If you go back on all of our streams, you know, most of the time we get nice closures like this, and we wait for the top wick, but sometimes you don't, and that's just what you got to do. You got to try and adapt, see if you can get in. If you can't get in, then tough luck. You just take a no trade. Here we go. Here we go. Oh. So we haven't closed below, which is a bit annoying. Bit annoying. How much would my stop be if I got in right here? 9 pips, 10 pips. Four-hour close in 30 minutes. Oh, I hate the 4 hour. It's just so annoying. Get US to put their clocks back ASAP. And tell you what. Why? Because it was respecting support. No. I will not be buying GJ right now. Potentially on the flip, come back down to these lows, but that'll be a bit risky to be honest. But so this is going to be interesting. We really want to see how price reacts to when we come to this, because this is support. It could act as resistance now if it flips and continues. Oof. So now getting on these lows would be way too high. So maybe on the flip potentially to continue down. Maybe flip could be an option. Yeah, I do think potentially a flip. But I'm paying attention. If we do come exceed here, that'll be making my stop loss more than 10 pips, and I don't want to be doing that, to be honest. Coming towards where a 10 pip stop would be. Look at the 30 minute. 30 minute has closed below though, so this is just making the top wick. And if you get in on the flip, if we push down to these lows, I'll be at break even anyway, so don't really care about that. You just re-entered gold. Ooh, that was a nice little wick. So your stop loss here. Potentially. My only issue is it didn't really close too much above there. But looking at the 15, it does look pretty decent. It just didn't really close above. So could really be respecting it. That's my only issue I'd have with that. I may take this, to be honest, because we tapped the highs over here. Yeah, I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna analyze it, see if it's still valid when we come towards it. But for sure. So even if we haven't closed above, we've tapped the zone I want to. So if this comes and exceeds its own high and comes back in the zone, I'm just gonna delete the sell stops. So let's just go over here. I've entered gold half risk. Beautiful. Five-minute making a little support here. Should continue potentially, hopefully for you guys. The break of the bullish 5-minute low salary play. My only issue is, yeah, look, this didn't close above this 15-minute, but on the other scale of things, the 5-minute is very, I don't know, to see. The hourly, 30-minute is making the lower wick, which it did do, to be fair. How are you going to manage risk? You guys, tell me how you're going to manage risk. So what kind of stop you got right now? Let's take a look. What's going on here? 13 pips. Where would you probably not want price to go? For me, I'd probably have 50% off here. I'd probably have 50% off. Because why would you want it to come and exceed those wicks? I think that'd be really good to manage your trade there. And should continue. So you're always thinking about how to get out the trade, and if it goes nicely, great. Rejecting the low. Come on, boy. We'll see this trade. Bit of a risky one if you guys don't want to take. That's fine because you haven't closed below. But I think we're rejecting this. The reason that's why I like it. Flipping the 30 to potentially come down. When we come towards zones like right around here, my stops will be at break even anyway, so I'm not really too asked. Look at that. Look at that. You sexy man. It's actually on the low over here. 1 second. Here. Yeah, 230. I look at 4 hour in the gold and GJ. I'll definitely choose GJ. It looks much better. Yeah. Are you going to take GJ sells? Yes. I like how we've tapped the zone over here. Tapped it, rejected it. Should continue. When we come to times where we could reject, my stops will be a break even anyway. My trade is in now, so I've entered a trade over here. So how am I going to manage risk? Let's take a look over here. How am I going to manage risk? Ooh, how am I going to manage risk? How am I going to manage risk? Well, I think if we take some trades over here, I really want to respect these 5-minute highs right around this zone, I think. So if we come to 280, like here, take off 50%. I want this candle to push hard and low. If you come back up to these highs there, I'll be taking off 50%. Is someone in like a cafeteria or something? 1 second. There we go. So I got my magic keys ready to take off 50%. I want this drop down. The 50 minutes flipped, the 30 minutes flipped, the hourly's pushing down. We'll see. We'll take a look over here. If it can't, then that's fine. I'll take a losing trade. Take 50%. 153, 2, 0.87. Wickety wowoo, wickety wowoo. Do 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 do. I think we might need NY push. Yeah, potentially. Potentially. Really respecting these lows now. Oh no! Good thing is though, I'm getting out at -5 pips over here, so I'm pretty happy with that. You'll see me close half very, very soon over here. Managing my risk as we go. Because I don't want this 5 minutes to come back up and flip. I want the push down. And yeah, wicked. So let's take a look at gold. Is this gold continuing, guys? So let's take a look. 5 minutes just closed over here. Nice. Still paying attention to this. Let's take a look at gold. Ooh, yeah, gold is chilling over here. I'd probably take that trade off, to be honest. Come on, boy. You know you want to. You know you want to. I'm always thinking about managing the trade. 50% off over here. I'll be liking that. I'll be liking that. But you see though, like where my 50% takeoff is such a logical area. Very, very logical. Got 4 minutes left. We know at the moment the last like 3 minutes the candle starts to push. So hopefully we get it, boys and girls. Hopefully we get it, boys and girls. We've done our analysis. We've done everything. Should continue over here. When we come towards these wicks, I'll probably put my stops to break even potentially. But really, really good. So taking off at -5 pips here, and the rest at 10, so like a 7 pip loss. And normally we take 10, 15 pips, 20 pips out of the market. Very, very tasty. I'm liking the 5 minute. We're rejecting the highs, so. TP hit? Camel, what did you take? On gold? On what? What did you take? What do you take, boy? Camille. Trading in the zone is risky, isn't it? Yep, I said it was a risky trade. I said, but I think with the volume I might miss it, so that's why I'm taking it. I said this was a risky trade if you go back on the stream. But because I got a nice, I can take off 50% of certain zones, I'm very, very happy. Very, very happy. Towards the end of the candle now, I really want it to start to push over here. Come on, boy, get that push that I've been missing every single trade on, you little shit. But if not, I managed my trade beautifully. I'm ready to close half. I literally got it here already. I'm closing half right when we come to these highs. That's all I'm doing. The good thing is when you're on the side of the higher time frames, price normally just help with you. You took a gold buy and a GJ sell. You're taking a lot of trades over here, Milan. Come on, boy. Last 1 minute 46. You're going to have to make a top wick in that candle, so kind of want it to run over here. Potentially continue. Bearish. So coming towards some wicks over here, I'm really kind of wanting to manage my trade this time. So I'm actually going to put my stop loss to break even over here. Stop loss to break even. To continue down. If it doesn't want to continue down and wicks me out, great. So risk-free trade, guys. A risk-free trade. Beautiful. That's what I want. I want the drop down. So this is the thing. Like when I'm coming towards where we could reject, my stops are break even. I get all of the gains. If this starts to run, then I'm good. And if not, it's a break even trade, and I don't give a shit. Okay. So that's how you can really manage a trade. Even if it hasn't closed below, you can get in and you expect the push. If you don't get the push, then tough shit. Up about 5 pips now, guys. 6 pips. Holy shit! This could be a stinker. This could be a stinker. Oh my god! Absolutely fucking shit your guts out, GJ. Come on.
Fucking king, bro. Fucking king.
Come on.
Maxi, forget the chat. You get me more excited.
Innit? Let's go. So up about 9 pips over here. I'm going to be closing some very, very... Oh, jeez!
Oh, yeah.
12 pips. Take some profits over here, guys. I just took some profits at 12 pips. I've actually closed half. I'm going to hold a bit more on because I think we could be going downtown. Downtown. Oh, my God. Amazing, guys. There you go. So, another day, another dollar, guys.
Lo va a cerrar todo, creo.
About 40 pips here, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. Dubs in the chat. We got another W on the stream here, guys. Running 17 pips. Only closed half over here. Let's go. Easy peasy.
Hey, man, can I check with you on something?
Yeah. One second. I just need to post one more thing over here, my boy. Right, so up about 20 pips now. I'm going to close off another, like... oh, my God. Holy shit. Amazing, boys and girls. Amazing. Yeah, boy, come on. Ask me, my man.
Yeah. Good trade, man.
Thank you, bro.
I just want to check when you mentioned about the SL to BE, right?
Yeah.
Will you, when, how do I say this? If let's say you set SL to BE, do you take half of the profit or?
No. So I just set stop loss to break even just to make it a risk-free trade. I don't take any profits yet. So
right, okay.
Yeah. Just straight to break even to make it a risk-free trade. But you can see here, you know, we were coming towards where we reject. We could push, you know, but we don't know. So make it a break even just gets the risk off. So amazing, guys. Put some W's in the chat. I want everyone to put some W's in the chat. We don't get that a lot. I see other streamers, they get loads. Just every single person here put W's in this bitch. Now I've closed 80% at 20 pips. Put some W's in this chat. I want to do some Insta over here. 18 pip, absolute melt. Sheesh. Here we go. One second. Keep on spamming them W's, guys. Spamming them W's. Sheesh. W's in the chat. Jeez. Nice. Look at that. Beautiful. So there we go. Amazing. Dropped 20 pips over here. Bearing in mind, if it went against us, we would have closed half at like 5 pips. And then we closed the full at 10, so that would have been a 7 pip loss. And now we just hit 20 pips. So nearly a 1 to 3 risk to reward. So congrats. Love from India. Well done everyone in the mentorship. Well done everyone in YouTube. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet, come on, man. We waited patiently for this. Like that stream. Absolutely like that stream. I want every single person to like that stream. Hell yeah. Good closure for 4 hour 2 now. Yep. Very, very true. Very, very true. And there we go. Congrats, guys, if you took that trade. I'm still in gold. Let's take a look over here. Ooh, you're still in gold. Nice. Okay. Are you? What price did you get in? 30 minutes looking good. Continuing up. Hopefully you can continue. 15 is a bit choked. Has exceeded the high though. Serie play. I think if it comes here and flips and exceeds the low, I would get out. What price did you get in? I think if it comes down and flips bearish here, it's rejecting the highs again. 1798.15. Oh right, you got in here, bro. Just have your stop loss to break even. This should just continue. If it doesn't want to continue, you know, would you really want to take a loss here? Good lad. Amazing. Stop loss to break even. Wicked. So people here on the Telegram helping each other out with the gold trade. Now they've got a stop loss to break even. Should continue. If it doesn't, then it's a break even trade. And then we just got a GJ sell over here. But you can see, like, when we were in some drawdown here and it wasn't going too well, you know, I was like, right, we're going to take 50% off at this time. I'm always looking at how to manage the trade. And there you go. Very, very simple, guys. 18 would be hard to break without NY volume. Very, very true. Well, they're gonna break
Hey,
even
Max.
trade. Hello, my boy.
Oh, we love you.
That ship nutted.
Oh yeah.
Nice. How much did you close? Like where and stuff? I closed like half at like 12.
I
and then-
closed 80% at 14
Yeah.
pips or something. I wish I left it a little longer, but mate, I'm not. I'm not mad about it at all.
Yeah.
All the
Okay.
boys eating well in the Discord, Maxi.
Good lads. Good lads.
Yeah.
Easy peasy. That's what we do. But did you get the entry? Like even though it was in the zone, I liked it because we reject these highs over here. And like when we came towards this zone, we had stops to break even anyway. So it seemed valid for me. Because we had stop loss to break even right around this level, so easy.
Just expected volume to push it.
Yeah, exactly. And if it just come out the way, then you got to break even trade. So that's the thing. If you're getting into trades where you haven't broken zones and stuff, just get used to break even really, really quickly. I put my break even at like 3 or 4 pips. So yeah, don't be worried about that. Especially if you're icy markets as well, you can have it really tight. So amazing. Well, it's the same kind of scenario with the volume yesterday, right? Yeah. Where can this go to now, Max? Well, let's take a look. Let's try and do this together. So we're looking towards the left. I have a TP3 over here. Actually, let's just take... Do we hit TP2? 1 second. TP2 770. Oh no, I got TP2 ages away. 1 second. 20 pips. So I think we could come back down to this line. This is where the next thing... This is actually clean candles down here, so 750 could be a good target for sure. And then we have a one at like 140, I think it was as well. So like right around here. So there's big zones to fill if you do break below for sure. So yeah. 87 likes, guys. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet and you ate with us, make sure to like the stream and subscribe as well. Hope you have some good subscribers. And if you guys do want to join us to NY every single day, make sure to join the mentorship. You can come with us. Scarlett, first week following you, nice trades with high probability and good analysis overall, and of course risk management at its best. Well done and thanks, mate. No bother. Thank you very, very much. I'm glad I'm helping you. So let's just update our window over here. We just taking trades. Let's take a look. Trades taking GJ sell. It's 20 pips. 3 wins. 1 stream. 1 loss. Easy peasy. What does max drawdown mean on the Magic Keys box? Well, here. I can't see max DD. No idea. Price is coming up because this. I expect price to come up because the candle didn't close below, so it wasn't really the actually it did here. The 15 did. Sorry. Now it's just making a top wick over here. 30-minute didn't know, so beautiful. So let's take a look. Is that gold trade still on, guys? Ooh, rejecting again. Yeah, maybe it's gonna be break-even trade over here. May need some NY volume to push that bitch up for sure. Normally gold trades, you can get into some gold trades before like the news, but normally like breaking of big zones you potentially don't without this volume coming. $1 profit with you. Nice. $1. They all add up, eh? They all add up. That's me hitting like 6%. I took a lot off that trade now. Holy shit. Let's see how much I made in that bitch. Like 700 quid. 752 quid. Nice. Nice. Easy peasy. So let's think about what else. I mean, later on, what am I going to be looking for? I'm still going to be looking for sales. I want some retracement and then to drive down. We always talk about this. I went through this with the mentorship for the webinar last night. I'm going to be still looking for sells. I'm going to be waiting for maybe price to continue down over here, then pull back, pull up, and then continue. So let's take a look over here. Wait, is this this got a full TP 22 pips. Delicious. We had a nice stop as well. The stop was good. The taking the profits were good. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Right, so yeah, what am I looking for later on? As I said, this is exactly what I'm printing. So straight away, what am I looking for the next days? Well, I'm waiting for this to potentially probably come down in the next couple of hours, just chill. Then we'll start to get some retracement over here at some point. Retracement, okay, and then the next certain times over here, we'll make a top wick, and then closure, and then I'll ride that bitch all the way back down. And that'll be the trade. So already setting up the trade that I want to see at NY. Okay, very, very simple, very easy. Very simple and very easy. So yeah, beautiful. But it looks like now the 15 minutes pushing up over here. 30 minute is going to close in 5 minutes time. If it closes on support, it's really holding that support over here. So normally, when do you normally trade the NY session? Between 11:30 and 12 o'clock till like 1:30 or 1 o'clock. This is UK time, by the way. Love my magic keys. Had my break even triggered at 5 pips and my TP partial at 10 pips, 8% runner left. Had my lovely, amazing, and TP partial. Amazing. Yeah, it looks like it came down over here, break even trade. So nice, congratulations everyone in the chat who got it as well. Very, very easy. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. On a 10k account, opened a one lot and only made 70, but I took 11 pips on IC markets. It should be more, right? Are you in pounds? Are you in pounds? Because if it's pounds, then that's right. It's 0.7. So like, if I took a 5 lot on my account, I'll make 350 pounds per 10 pips because it's 7 or 6. Yeah, it's 0.7. So every single thing you're doing, every single like trade, it'll be 0.7 times that because it's like dollar. So if you have a 10 lot on and you do 10 pips, you'd think, oh, well, that's like £1,000, isn't it? No, it's 700. That's the same for sales, like same for like stop losses as well and stuff. It's just 0.7 of what you think it is. Do you always go break even at 5 pips, or is it situations? Different situations. For example, I went to break even here very, very quickly because we didn't have the closure, so I wanted the volume to push, and if not, then fine. In other cases, though, I'll keep it on until like 7-8 pips. It just really depends. And my runner gets stopped out of break even over here. I only had literally like not even a 1% run, a tiny run over there. Closed most of it off. 88 likes, guys. We need some more likes in this. God dang it. God dang it. Give me them likes. Like and subscribe. The more likes you get, the more revenue. So let's see. The revenue is going up, though, guys. So we can do more giveaways very, very soon. They haven't paid me yet because I think it's like a month after. But when they do, then we can do some more magic keys giveaways. So at the moment, the live streams are hitting like 1,000 views a stream at the moment. So I'm getting like, let's take a look over here. So like it's going towards like $5 a stream. So I also get taxed 30% on this, which is annoying. But so it means like every week I could potentially do a magic keys giveaway, which is pretty cool. So yeah.
Someone should record that and then replay it back to you in about 18 months.
That's true, innit? Like, yeah, I get $5 a stream, boy.
Making $5 a stream, be able to do a magic key giveaway every week. I'll save that and I'll play it back to you in 18 months.
For sure. For sure, my boy. We're getting $100 a stream. To be fair, I worked out the maths and like you still like if I wanted like $100 a stream, because that'll be, if I got $100 a stream, that'll be like mortgage kind of vibes. That would be a lot though, because I get paid like at the moment $5, so it's like I get 5 per 1,000 views. So I'd have to have like, if I got 20,000 views every stream, that would be 100, yeah. So it's quite a lot more.
YouTube love paying you for longer videos as well. Like if you uploaded a video that's like 8 minutes, like they put ads in the middle that are real juicy. Like, because I've got a YouTube channel that's got I think like 5,500 subs.
Wow.
And there's just nothing to do with trading. It's just like a gaming one. But I always found that if I did a longer video, I got paid so much more.
Really? Yeah.
Yeah. So
I think it's really random.
Around 8 minutes. was the
Sweet
money
spot.
the money pot.
I do quite long videos, yeah. I need to do some more fun ones. So it's hard. Like I'm not really a creative person, I don't think. So I find it really hard to like do it. But I got some things in. I've got all the gear.
If you've got a routine that's working for you, bros, just stick with it, man. Like that's fine.
Yeah.
You don't have to be super creative. Like it'll build up eventually.
Yeah, true that.
Persistence.
Oh,
Persistence is key.
Yeah, exactly. Look at this. So actually did reject over here. Just tap my run around, which is a bit annoying. But hey ho, what can you do? If GJ closes below support in 2 minutes, are you going to take a sell again? No, that's my trade for the day. The reason is because we're coming towards 9 o'clock, 9:30. I know that when it's this time, normally price starts to relax a bit. That doesn't mean it does. It could still continue. But I've already taken my trade, you know. I think that was a really good setup. And yeah, fine. But I mean, here, to be honest, people getting into that trade over here could potentially work. So what you could have done here as well, if you missed this trade, is right. This candle closes below. This is confirmation. Wait for the top wick. Flip. Let's see how big the top wick was, though. Oh, 16 pips stops too big. Yeah, fuck that. Too big. You trade like Raja? Probably not now, but I trade what Raja used to trade like. Until he went a bit mad. 4 hours closing. I'm out till NY. Yeah, it's also the 4 hour close, people. So that's why it's just close actually. Yeah. So you know the next 4 hour looking pretty bearish. So you know the next couple hours could potentially come up, make a top wick, then start flipping, and this will be NY. So that's what I'll be looking for with the group. If you guys do want to join me through NY and learn the skills of trading, the proper skills, make sure to come and join the mentorship. This week we've had now 7 trades, 1 loss, 6 wins. So yeah, beat that. And last week was even more. I think 8 trades, 7 wins, 2 something like that. Pretty similar from last week as well. Because I look for very, very high probability setups. I don't take loads of trades. I just take the ones that are right. But yeah, no trades now. Look, I'm just gonna wait for the top wick. I expect the first 1 or 2 hours of the 4 hour to make top wicks. Then yeah. Can someone pay on a weekly basis for your mentorship? No, I only do monthly. I think weekly would be. It could be in and out quick. I couldn't manage it properly. Like monthly's fine for me. Look at that rejection as well. So really respect and support. Never really closed above, so that's why. It's fine. GA coming down as well. Easy peasy. Let's see how many subscribers we're on now. 1,427 subscribers. Sheesh. Guys haven't subscribed yet. Make sure to subscribe. Really just help us out over here. And yeah. 89 likes. Just try and get that to 100 likes before you leave the stream. It's at 9 AM. We've done that trade now. And I may call it a day. Looks like we're continuing over here on the 4 hour. Damn. Woohoo! Nice. So, people taking sells up here. Damn, son. Pushed down nicely. But yeah, I think I'm going to leave it here, guys. We've finished the trades. We've done everything. We've done everything we could possibly do. Now I'm going to wait until NY. We're going to have some fun. Maybe go to the gym. And then relax. So thank you very much for coming on Zoom. I hope you enjoyed that. Very, very easy. And I'll see you guys in Zoom for NY session, yeah?
Good luck, Max. Nice one, mate.
See you later, guys. Peace out. Peace out. Thank you very much. See ya.
See you later.
See you later,
Thank
guys.
you, bro.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks, Max. Thanks. Thank you.
Cheers, my boys. Girls. Amazing. So thank you very much, YouTube. Been a pleasure to be with you. And we'll see you in the next one. So if you guys do want to join for YouTube, you know the link. But I'll see you guys in the next one over here. Peace out, peace out, peace out.